Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to verify your account on Luno step by step. Step 1. Open the Luno app. Launch the Luno app. Tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. Step 2. Access the verification settings. Scroll down and select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down again and tap on Verification. Step 3. Start the verification process. Select your country of residence and tap Next. You'll now see the steps required to verify your account. Tap Let's Go to proceed. Step 4. Enter your personal information. Fill in your first name and middle name. Enter your date of birth. Select your country and enter your ID number. Tap Next. Step 5. Submit your documents. You'll be asked to take a picture of your ID. Next, take a selfie, picture of your face, for identity verification. Step 6. Wait for approval. After submitting your documents, Luno will review them. If everything is correct, your account will be verified successfully. That's it. The process is quick and easy. I won't be sharing my personal details in this video, but just follow these steps and you'll have your Luno account verified in no time. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.